Today we're going to be making some slime with my new gallon of glue. So the items are gallon of glue, baking soda, some food coloring, a 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon, and a spatula. Mixing utensil. So let's get started. The first thing you also need is a bowl, and I just made it and it came out very good. It came out very stretchy. It's very cool. It's very small though, but it's
Try to make a bigger one.
It's absolutely very stretchy. So let's go. So the first step is you're going to, I gotta wash the bowl. Go get the other. I can put this in and just get stuff out.
What are you making, a different color?
Or you want to make it this one and just add it together?
No.
Just 1 minute. I'm just gonna get all the stuff out. So this is what I made the last time. So I'm just gonna get all the pink out of the bowl, and then we can go on and make it. Alright, so we're good. Let's go. Here's the bowl. I'm going to add some glue. Let's add glue. Perfect. We're going to build up the glue. We're going to add a 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
A color.
Wait, I gotta get it out. A little bit back in. We're gonna add that much. We're gonna add it in. And we're gonna give me the slime. Give me the slime. Just gotta get it off the spatula. Then we're gonna mix it together. Not hard and not slow. Perfect size. And it's very slow. And now we're gonna add some blue food coloring. Any type of food coloring. 2 drops.
It's starting to get in.
Then you're gonna mix it.
But let me just help it. That was a little too help.
As you can see, it's a very light color. Okay, so that's how you make it. And then you're gonna need multiple pores solution, contact solution, any type of solution, doesn't matter what type of brand. And then you're gonna pour it in, and you need 1 teaspoon of it. You should do it full to the top. You're gonna put it in, and then you're gonna start mixing it. And then as you can see, it's starting to make. It's starting to make it, cause look. Now you gotta start making it hard. And then after a while, you see that it's not mixing to the bowl. You can take it off the spatula. And at first, it's very sticky and all, but it's good. Now I'm gonna just get the spatula off of it, take it out with my hands, and start kneading it.
Why is it so small?
Because there's no like shaving cream or nothing in it to make it fluffy. So yeah.
I want to
Now
add
that
shaving cream.
is how you make that type of slime. It's not that big, but it's perfect.
I want to add shaving cream.
I love it. And you know what? I kind of like it better than on the bigger ones, because the bigger ones are kind of very big and just like very hard to make it.
Don't want to do shaving cream.
So
I want to make it more bigger. Yeah, let's see that.
So this is it. I made another one.
Oh, very good. They're little ones. You're gonna try and make a bigger one?
I don't know if we can because I think the shaving cream really needs
What
to
if
be
you make it like that and then add shaving cream to it?
I'll try a little bit.
Try that. That might
Try
work.
that one first.
You need bags for them?
Yeah. We need containers.
Little containers though. Do you want to just mix it?
No.
Make like one jumbo one? It's a little fluffy.
Let me see that one.
Alright, so now we're gonna do, the next video I'm gonna do is the 60-second challenge. And my sister's gonna time me. So yeah. So let me
What are you
just
doing?
clean up this mess.
What are you doing?
The 60-second challenge.
What's that?
I'll show you. Alright,
I like the blue.
so yeah.
Oh, blue.
In a few minutes, we're gonna do it. I just gotta
We'll
clean
have
up
the pink, okay?
this little mess.
Mimi,
Yeah.
we picked which color we want. I got blue
This
and
is
Max
kinda
got
hard.
pink.
Ah.
And shaving cream.
And a little shaving cream to this.
And a taco. We're gonna have the pink one, okay?
Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go do it. And then I'm gonna do the 60-second challenge. So, yeah. Bye, guys.